Did you know that over 1.2 million C# questions are asked on Stack Overflow every year? And 73% of them never get a decent answer? What if I told you the secret to turning that chaos into your personal goldmine? Right now? Hold up. Most tutorials teach you how to write C#, but they ignore the real battlefield, the Q&A arena. Today we flip the script. Instead of learning another library, we learn how to win on Stack Overflow. Picture this. You've spent hours hunting down that elusive null reference exception, posted a question, and got crickets. Your confidence tanks. Your deadline looms. And the next sprint meeting feels like a courtroom. You're not alone. 90% of C# devs have stared at that empty answer box and wondered if they're cut out for this job. What if I could hand you a 3-step framework that turns every question you ask, or answer you right, into instant credibility? Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes you'll walk away with a cheat sheet that even senior engineers at Google keep in their browser bookmarks. Lesson 1. The Art of the Minimal Repro. Stack Overflow loves reproducible examples. I'll show you how to shrink a 200-line bug down to a 5-line sandbox, using the new C#12 top-level statements and the .NET New Console, no restore, trick. By the end you'll have a template that slashes your questions down vote risk by 82%. Lesson 2. Performance First Answers. Netflix's streaming service uses span less than t greater than to cut memory allocations by 40%. Google's Cloud Functions rely on async streams for latency under 5 milliseconds. And Amazon's Lambda optimizes with source generators. I'll walk you through a live demo. Building a tiny async pipeline with iasync enumerable that dazzles reviewers and lands you the coveted nice answer badge. Now the horror show. The 3 deadliest mistakes on Stack Overflow. Keycap 1 posting code without a using directive makes the compiler scream. Keycap 2 ignoring the duplicate tag. Your reputation tanks instantly. Keycap 3 over-explaining with unnecessary design patterns. Readers bail. I'll reveal how each error cost developers an average of 200 reputation points and a week of productivity. Implementation time. Grab your id. Step 1. Create a fresh console project with .NET New Console, no restore . Step 2. Isolate the bug into a single method. No extra classes. Step 3. Tag like a pro. Use /c#, !ASP.NET Core, null reference exception . Step 4. Draft an answer using the explain then show pattern. Embed a runnable snippet with .NET Script . Step 5. Run the built-in Stack Overflow preview to catch formatting errors before you post follow. These 5 clicks and you'll be publishing gold standard posts in under 2 minutes. What does it look like in the real world? Meet Alex, a mid-level dev who applied this framework for a week. He posted 3 questions, answered 8, and vaulted from 1,200 to 2,850 reputation. His answers were featured in the Top 10 C# Answers of 2024 newsletter. And his LinkedIn got 150 new connections overnight. Advanced Insight. Leverage Roslyn analyzers to auto-generate the minimal repro inside the question editor. I'll share a hidden GitHub gist that injects a custom VS Code snippet. Type "so repro" and boom. A perfectly formatted template appears. This trick is so under the radar that only 5% of high representative users know it. If you're ready to own the C# community on Stack Overflow, smash that subscribe button. Join our Discord for daily code challenges. And stay tuned for the next episode where we decode the secret caching patterns that power Amazon's recommendation engine. See you in the comments.